In a recent interview with V-Man Southeast Asia magazine, SB19's Justin revealed more about himself beyond his stage persona, offering fans a glimpse into his personal preferences and musical tastes. During the interview, Justin shared his favorite songs to listen to during various activities.
Salamin, salamin sa dingding, nasa na ang pag-ibig. Hey guys, Justin here. These are some songs you should check out. Best song to start your day is Surreal by Justin. Ta-ta-da-dee-ram, ta-ta-da-dee-ram, ta-ta-da-dee-ram. So calm, refreshing. Wow. I don't work out. I think I usually play P-pop on the Rise na playlist. So, like P-pop songs like Salamin, salamin sa dingding, nasa na ang pag-ibig. Like Bini songs and of course, SB19 songs. B sa Noy Pinoy, Pinoy, Pinoy Pi. Syempre, someone special, you should listen to Dahon, out now on all streaming platforms. Mahulog man ang mga dahon, lumipas maraming taon, magbago man ang lahat sa mundo, mananatili ako to you. Siddhartha and Tony J. Alon, Dagat, Payapa. Kung ano na sinabi. Isa lang naman yung collab nila, so just search for it. Dito muna tayo, di ba? Walang tumama sa sinabi ko. Ang pinapakinggan ko, Out of My League. It's her hair and her eyes today. It's just, ano yun? Nalimutan lyrics. It's her hair and her eyes today. It's a feeling that I'm in a good way. Angela can move on last. Oh, best song to represent my current era. Siguro yung pinaka-peg ko with Dahon, yung Love Is, by The Reedleys. I could be candid and tell you the truth. I'd have to figure love out with you. Yeah. Ever since nalaman ko yung song, lagi ko na siya pinapakinggan and parang I know na gusto kong gumawa ng song that would like somehow similar to it. Parang very chill lang, very parang honest yung sinasabi ng song. Tas calm lang, sweet.